sit up in the chair blinking, confused.
I always have a tough time getting into this thing, lining the truck up. Let's see if this seems close. This seems close here. Let's see what that does. Nope, that wasn't it. You can tell when you get into it because you'll hit it and then it'll move around. Let's see if I was too far over that way. There it goes. Clicked it in. Make sure your controller is off. Come out here. That's it. That's how long it takes to hook up this plow. If you get your in the plow socket right away, like that, come in here. Oh, did I put that back to plow? I did. The one thing you got to do is there's plowing and hooking up. And if you don't put it back to the plowing part, you got to come back out there and do it. Anyways, we are in. That's how easy those plows hook up. Next day, so if you want to take your plow off, it's very simple. Just turn your plow controller off. Then move this to attach and detach. Bring it up a little bit, just to loosen this handle. Those two buttons again. Unplug it. It's 4 degrees out right now, by the way. Fahrenheit. Everything's frozen. There you go. These cords get tucked up in there. Those just get tucked by the bumper. These are out of the way. Go back in here. Put the truck in reverse. And you're done. Easy peasy. Alright, off to the next thing.